Hello, magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi. Sa sign ng Aries with the fire elements. Ala baby, nagpapakilala. Isang subscribe, likes, and share lang po. General reading po ito. It's not a personal or private. If you want a private reading, kindly email. Okay? Feel free to email Lola Baby. Doon po sa aking description box, sa aking mismong profile. Let's see your energy. What's in your energy? Let's see your aura. The message. Okay? The intention. For our zodiac sign, the Aries. Screenshot. Yan. Okay? So, ang nakikita ko dito, yan. Okay? Whatever is this. Sandali lang, anin ko lang aring aking, papatayin ko lang. Yan. Para hindi ma-distract si Lola. It's like, they are taking evidence, di ba? Screenshot. Kumukuha sila ng ebidensya against you, di ba? Maybe, halimbawa, sabihin na nating salita, di ba? Photos, di ba? Or documents, di ba? They will use it against you. Okay? Or maaring ikaw din ito, di ba? Kung sila is nangongolekta ka rin. Di ba? You have a proof, okay? It's like tinatawag evidence versus your evidence. It's like ebidensya sa ebidensya, okay? Proof. Your proof, their proof. Diba? It's like sabihin na natin, nakita ka namin. May kasama ka, halimbawa, kung sino man, whatever. It's like tinatawag, nasaan, okay? Nasaan. Yan ha. Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, it's like ano mo, okay? Yung kanilang ebidensya. Okay? It's like i-disregard yan, hindi totoo. Something like that. Yun lang nakikita ko. Queen rising. Yan. You will be in power again. Okay? For some of you, kung kayo na-discredit, di ba? Halimbawa, may sumira ng inyong reputasyon, may sumira ng iyong pangalan, pagkatao, hindi yan magtatagal. Okay? Kasi narito, Queen rising, di ba? Okay? Stepping into power, praised, coming up, spotlight. You will be in spotlight. Whatever it is, maybe it has something to do about your profession, your work, di ba? Yan. So maybe you will be invited, okay? Ako gay pakinig, siguro naman you will be invited. Yan. Kumbaga dito'y nakikita ko yung maraming taong manonood sa inyo. Okay? You will be praised. Di ba? Yan. It's like, ang masama is walang, hindi nananatiling. Ang masama is nananalo. Okay? Nagugupo din ang masama. It's like parang sino ba yung Hinebra San Miguel? Saint Michael the Archangel. Di ba? Defend us in battle. Be our protector against the malice and snares of the devil. Okay? Kita mo? Galing ano? So ano pa? Unfast. Unfast ba ang pronounce? Kaya na lang ha? Hindi naman perfecto si Lola. Okay? Unfaced or unfast. Hindi ka natitinag. It's like, kalokohan yan. Let them talk, di ba? It's like, I'm not affected. Okay? Yan. Wala akong pakialam. Okay? They can say what they want. They can do what they want. Wala akong pakialam. Di ba? Yan. Success. Believe that success is within your reach. Okay? Ang ganda, ano? Believe. Yan. Have faith in your power to create your reality. Di ba? Kaganda. Creativity. Tap into your creative potential. Yan. Mga Aries. Yan ha. Okay. So, gagamit tayo ng nakikita ko very, very positive. Okay? Ang inyong tinatawag na aura. Diba? Okay. So, hindi kayo natitinag. Yun nakikita ko. It's like, hindi kayo, limbawa, naninira. Di ba? May gumagawa ng istorya, ng kwento, naninira. Hindi ka. Kumbaga dito, yan mo sila. Di ba? O trabaho nila manira, diyan mo sila. Di ba? Kaya naman kita mo, yan, hindi ka natitinag. What's in your energy? Narito ang tinatawag na the six of wands, di ba? It's about your faith. It's about your belief, di ba? You believe you have success. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, for some of you, ginagawa mo lang ang trabaho mo, di ba? It's like walang personalan, di ba? Masyado kang tinatawag na vocal. Yun ha? Dito nakikita. Very, very vocal, di ba? It's like straightforward kung magsalita. Okay? Kung tamaan ka, masaktan siya, ay, ibig sabihin, sinasabi mo lang totoo. Yun lang nakikita ko for you. Okay, narito ang tinatawag na the five of swords, di ba? It's like tinatawag, alam mo ba yung, it's like inilagay ka sa arena. Imagine mo lang, nasa loob ka ng arena, ha? So, ibig sabihin nito, ikaw ito, that's your energy. Nasa loob ka ng arena, di ba? It's like narito mga spectators, narito yung mga analitiko, kumbaga dito ina-analyze, di ba? Pinag-iisipan, ina-absorb nila yung mga sinasabi mo, okay? It's like you're in the middle, okay? Na nakikinig sila, di ba? So, nadyan na yung, kaya ito, five of swords, di ba? Nadyan na lahat-lahat ng mga klase ng tao, di ba? It's like para kang nasa loob ng korte, di ba? It's like defending yourself, di ba? It's like abogado, how you answer the question. So, naroon yung tinatawag mga jurist, di ba? Yan. Sila mag-a-analyze, di ba? Yan. Yan lang nakikita ko. Maybe you will be invited for a talk. Yan, ha? Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, very, very intriguing ang inyong tinatawag na energy. Very, very intriguing. Na-intrigue sila sa iyong sasabihin, di ba? Na-intrigue sila sa iyong intelligence, di ba? Na-intrigue. Basta dyan lang. Okay? So, meron dito tinatawag, the truth will come out. Okay? Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, ang katotohanan lang ang mananalo. Okay? So, meron ditong person, okay? Since kayo ang binabasahan ko, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, ikaw is more on sa katotohanan. Panig ka sa Diyos, di ba? It's like you follow the Bible. You're not a perfect person, Aries. You're not a perfect person. But, okay, you're aware, okay? Aware ka, okay? Sa tinatawag na the bad and the good, the evil and the angels, di ba? Yan, you're aware. It's like you have a lot of experience dito, di ba? Sa buhay mo. From the six of wands to the five of swords. Yan ang tinatawag na experience mo. Paano ka nakisalamuha sa mga tao, okay? From your past lives, di ba? It's like nakikita ko dito, ilang beses kang namatay, ilang beses kang nabuhay. Yan ang tinatawag na the death and the resurrection, the death and the rebirth, di ba? Yan. Ito ay tinatawag justice. You are just, a just. Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na hindi ka sumasalungat. It's like tinatawag na kung batas-batas, di ba? It's like according to the Bible, according to the law, according to the decree. Yan, no? Di ba? Ayaw mo sumalungat. Yan, ha? Yan lang ang nakikita ko sa inyo. You always help friends in needs, people in needs. Kilala mo man siya or hindi mo kilala, tinutulungan mo. Di ba? Kaya dito, just. You're just. Makaano ka. Yung tinatawag na, ano gang tawag doon? Just, okay? Hindi ka nang lalyamado, di ba? Makakatwiran, ano ka. Yan o, kaya dito, ito ikaw, di ba? Yan. It's like your action, your words, di ba? Is credible. Hindi mo siya ipapahamak. Yun na, kaya lumabas ang the justice. It's like tinatawag, people in needs. Sino ang mga people in needs? Maybe your family, your friends, the society, community, your neighbors, your children, your sabi natin asawa ninyo, magulang, kamag-anak, nangangati ang aking palad, mukhang kayo is magkakaroon ng tinatawag, kwarta. Okay, so, okay, last card na yan, ha? Okay. Gagamit ako ng ibang tarot. Ano ito? The 10 of Wands. May butterfly. Si butterfly. Sandali ha, kulay yellow. Okay? So, napakaganda nito. It's like tinatawag na if you are sick, okay? If you are tinatawag na may mga nararamdaman, it's about butterflies. It has something to do about sandali. Innovation, transition, okay? Natawag dito, caterpillars into butterflies. Yan ha? Futurist, okay? A visionary, okay? Kaya lumabas itong the 10 of Wands. You're a visionary, okay? Yan, no? It's about your qualities, okay? It's about what you can do to others. So the 10 of Wands has something to do about immigration, okay? The public servants, di ba? People with, let's say, sabihin natin parang mga Rafi Tulfo, parang mga tinatawag ko sino yan, mga let's say sabihin natin DSWD, can be your father, di ba? Can be your uncle, can be your professor, di ba? So that's, nakikita ko dito tinatawag, ano ang iyong katungkulan? The energy, in your energy, that's your energy, okay? Ano ang iyong ginagawa, di ba? Let's say sabihin na natin, you're very, very, dito nakikita sa 5 of Wands, di ba? You're not afraid of your enemies, okay? Harap-harapan, di ba? It's like tinatawag ditong hindi ka plastic, hindi ka nandadali-talikuran, hindi ka backstabbers. Harap-harapan, di ba? Sige, sabihin mo, in front of me, eye to eye, yan ha, di ba? Kaya narito yung tinatawag the just, di ba? It's like tinatawag, ay bawal magsinungaling. Let's face, it's sabihin na eye to eye, meet me, di ba? Sige, ibig sabihin nito, patong mo yung kamay mo sa Biblia and tell me you are taong totoo, di ba? Ganyan kayo. Kaya lumabas ito, di ba? The 10 of Wands, okay? Para sa mga Aries. Okay, so for some of you, whatever is this, di ba? Okay, kung sino itong tao nangangailangan financially, or they only need advice, di ba? Pwede rin ikaw, di ba? Maaring dito yung tinatawag, kung sino itong taong tutulong sa iyo. Yan, this person has this quality, di ba? It's like a lawyer, a judge, a psychiatrist, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, yan, truth comes out, okay? So, narito yung tinatawag the hangman. Okay? Yan. Ibig sabihin meron ditong person feeling trapped. Diba? It's like hindi niya ma-resolve ang problema niya. Diba? Yan. hindi niya magawan ng solusyon, okay? Ang mga pangyayari, yan. Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, nakaharap sa kanya, pero hindi niya ito masolusyonan, okay? Yan, so maaari ito yung tinatawag na limited ang kanyang pagkilos, okay? Hindi siya makagalaw sapagkat limited, okay? It's like merong barricade, di ba? Yan, barricaded. Maring pamilya niya, di ba? Sabihin na natin, gusto kong lumayas. Ay, hindi ka pwede lumayas. Nakakandado ang pinto, di ba? Yun. Gusto kong magsulat. Ay, hindi ka pwede magsulat, di ba? Okay? Kasi walang ballpen. Something like that, di ba? Ibili mo akong ballpen. Ay, hindi. It's like may barricade, di ba? So, meron dito ang tinatawag visionaries. Ano? Sa tinatawag na the Hangman and the Ten of Wands. This person is a visionarist, futurist, ang futurist, di ba? It's like, maglagyan natin ng katapusan, pagtatapos itong away between you and me, di ba? Yan. Alisin na ang tinatawag na pagpapahirap sa damdamin mo at ako, di ba? Yan. So, naririto, kita nyo, very mataas yung tinatawag, very, very intuitive ang tao na ito. To the hangman and the high priestess, di ba? Yan, very, very intuitive ang taong ito. Okay? Emotional, very, very stable ang kanyang tinatawag na emotion. Okay? Yan, very, very stable ang kanyang emotion. Tinatawag na the judgment, the justice, and the sun. Okay? Yan. Stable. Yan ha. Hindi kumukurap. Hindi nayayanig. Diba? It's like parang lindol. Diba? It's like, halimbawa sabihin natin, lindulan. Pero siya is yung tinatawag na kita mo yung solid. Hindi siya natitinag. Okay? Yan. So, may progress. Okay? Whatever is this you are facing. Kano ito kinakaharap mo, okay? Between you and them, di ba? Yan. Magkakaroon ng progress, okay? It's like halimbawa, nagbaranggayan, di ba? Or halimbawa, ano man itong problema na ito, magkakaroon ng progress, okay? So for some of you, yung tinatawag, iniisip mo lang, yan. Iniisip mo ang pansarili mong pangangailangan, di ba? Yan, no? To the justice, the hangman, okay? Niisip mo, okay? Yung pansarili mong kabutihan, yan, kalagayan, di ba? It's like, teka muna, tulong na ako ng tulong sa inyo. Paano naman ako, di ba? Oh, teka muna, binigay ko na lahat sa inyo kwarta ko. Paano naman ako pag nagkasakit ako, di ba? So it's about time. Kaya lumabas itong the Eight of Wands to the hangman, okay? Yan, ibig sabihin na, teka muna, kinuha nyo ng lahat ng aking mga pira din paano ako bibili ng gamot ko? Diba? Okay? So, hard work, whatever is this, okay? It's like narito. Your hard work, magkakaroon ng pays off sa tinatawag na the Six of Wands to the Five of Swords to the Ten. To the Ten of Wands to the Judgment. Hard work pays off, okay? Pay off. Hard works pay off. Okay? So, ibig sabihin ito, magkakaroon dito. What's between you and them? Diba? Yan. Okay? Magkakaroon dito, let's say, sabihin natin, peaceful solution, diba? Magkakaroon dito ng healing forgiveness. Okay? The Six of Swords. Okay, so it's about naririto yung tinatawag healing progress if you are in, sabihin na natin, for some of you may nakikita ako dito, it's like naka-confined, either naka-confined sila sa bahay, sa ospital, diba? Yan, sa isang institution, okay? Nakikita dito yung improvement, malaking improvement, okay? Yan, Six of Swords to the hangman, to the tinatawag na the judgment. Yan ha, okay. So there is a trouble too, ha? It's like there is someone here running away, okay? It's like tinatawag na maybe they are, preying, kahihiyan, okay? It's like tinatawag na maaano yung kanilang mukha, di ba? Yan. Ano tawag dito? Teka, mabilis lumayas. Okay? Oo. Para hindi sila mapahiya. Okay? They prefer to run away. Yan ha. Okay? Either you or sila. Okay? To face, yan, to save face. Yan ha. Nililigtas lang nila yung kanilang mukha. Di ba? So it's about their shame. Di ba? Para maligtas lang sila. Di ba? So they are running away. Ano? Face, shame ang nakikita ko. Ano? To save their face. Para ma-save ang kanilang tinatawag na pagmumukha. Masisira ang kanilang tinatawag reputasyon, ngalan. So they are running away. Okay? So narito ang the King of Swords, whatever is that. Di ba? So nakikita dito, people with authority. Yan ha? Okay. So meron dito yung tinatawag na matigas ito. Yan no? The King of Swords. Okay? Hindi sila nakukuha sa awa, sa iyak. Hindi mo sila pwedeng iyakan, di ba? Hindi sila mga emosyonal na tao. Ay, hindi ko alam kung sino yan, ikaw ba yan or sila, di ba? Hindi sila, hindi, yung tinatawag, have mercy on me, di ba? Umiyak ka daw, parang iyak buhaya, pero hindi, yan, maaaring ikaw or people with power, with authority. Yan ha? It's like hindi mo siya madadaan, hindi mo mapapalambot ang kanyang puso, 'di ba? Yan. Hindi mo siya makukuha. Yan. Hindi mo siya mababribe, mabibili. Kasi nakikita dito mas mataas yung kanyang mental. It's more about this person is ruled by their heads. So ikaw yan. Ibig sabihin ikaw. Since you have a fire energy. Okay? So, whatever is this, narito ang tinatawag the hermit, di ba? So, it's about your spirituality and enlightenment. For some of you, nakikita ko dito. Okay? It's yung tinatawag na a time to be alone. A time to separate yourself from chaotic situation, chaotic life, chaotic environment, chaotic society, di ba? So it's more about saving, okay? Saving your energy. So for some of you, nakikita ko dito, you're very, very aligned, okay? Spirituality, aligned ka sa tinatawag na Panginoong Diyos, di ba? Okay? Whatever is this, nakikita ko yung tinatawag na, okay? Self-undoing, okay? It's like tinatawag na, yan no? Di ba? So, it's more about self, okay? Sarili. Yan, ha? So, for some of you, maybe it has something to do about retirement. Magre-retire na sa trabaho, di ba? From the 10 of Wands to the Justice, di ba? Maybe it's a retirement. Maybe yung sinatawag na calming yourself, calmer. It's more tahimik na buhay. Yan. It's like tinatawag separating yourself from tinatawag na ingay. Okay? Ingay ng paligid, ingay ng mundo. So nakikita ko for some of you is very, very calm na. Okay? Yan. Very, very calm. To the hangman, the high priestess, the hermit, di ba? Okay. Maybe you are thinking of a short travel, di ba? By boat, by train, by car, by plane. It's a short trip travel with your family, okay? With your children or apos. Diba? So, this is more about self-undoing. Diba? It's like tinatawag, I have no more guilt. I did what I can, okay? Nagawa ko na ang magagawa ko. So, it's about tinatawag na, okay? Anong tawag dito? Pamamahinga na. For some of you, maybe it's more about retirement, di ba? Yan. So, maybe you will do, kasi nasa hermit position ka, maybe it has something to do about tinatawag creativity, di ba? It's like, now this is the time for me. Let's say, sabihin na natin, gusto ko mag-garden, di ba? Decorate my house, cooking, maybe go back to school, study how to play guitar, di ba? It's more about yourself, di ba? So it's only about yourself. For some of you, very, very intuitive kayo. Okay? You're a visionary. Kita dito sa The Hangman and the High Priestess. Okay? And ito yung tinatawag, no more guilt. No more guilt. It's like, tinatawag dito, wala na ako obligasyon sa lahat. Okay? Ang akin na lang, it's more about myself.